So Di, Michael Jackson just rose from the dead. Can you imagine?
Gio, I'm working.
Let me just get this here. No, but seriously, I think you really need to read this. This is very important. So finish reading that.
No, Gio.
I know you have a deadline, Di, but this is more important. You need to kind of get this going and stuff like, Di, this is, oh.
Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells with Di and my annoying sidekick, Gio. I don't know what planets were aligned this week, but I had several encounters where I had to deal with annoying people, and I had several friends tell me the same thing.
These encounters can become extremely confronting.
And sometimes ignoring the person doesn't resolve the situation fast enough before you become overly agitated. So if you're unable to cope with the annoying person, but you're also unable to just walk away,
your best option may be to confront them in a respectful and assertive way.
not only is coping with annoying people a useful life skill that can actually come in handy in many social situations,
you'll also exercise your assertive muscle and create win-win situations.
because I look at it this way. No one really wants to be that annoying person, so I feel like I'd be doing them a disservice if I didn't call them out on their shit.
Di.
What? It's true.
Asserting yourself can also help you gain self-confidence, earn respect from others, and create honest relationships.
So the next time you find yourself in a situation that you're unable to just walk away from, here's a few steps you can take to assert yourself with an annoying person.
Step 1, don't be so quick to react.
It's tempting to just yell at the person who's annoying you, but doing so is probably going to only upset you and maybe even fuel the person's behavior.
Instead, try tuning out what they're saying or be accepting of their shenanigans.
Yeah, and this might open a whole new door to how to handle the situation. Gio!
Step 2, remain calm and show empathy.
Getting angry or irritated will only ruin your experience more and won't do anything to change the person's behavior.
Start by taking a deep breath to compose yourself.
And take a moment to acknowledge that this person is likely drowning. It's possible that they're experiencing their own social anxiety or other pain, and their current behavior is how it manifests.
Throw them a life jacket.
Even in their current state of annoyance, I'll usually start to handle the situation by positively acknowledging the person.
Or give them a compliment, or ask them questions about themselves to disrupt their pattern.
Hey, want to demonstrate?
You know, Di, out of all the annoying people that I know, you're really my favorite.
Well, not quite like that, Gio. Or you could try something like this. You know, I really love how much energy you have.
Or, you have a very unique personality.
Thank you. Step 3, be honest about your feelings while avoiding conflict.
Honesty can help your self-esteem and help the other person's self-esteem.
Remember, nobody really wants to be known as annoying, and it's fair to assume that they recognize themselves as such sometimes.
And this can be crippling for them.
Try following your compliment with an observation and then a suggestion about their behavior. For example,
you know that I can tell that you have a wonderful and unique personality, but your behavior is exhausting me right now. I don't think you're the kind of person who deliberately wants to annoy people. Let's say we shift this conversation.
All right. See? The individual will likely reflect and adjust their behavior, and then you could even go on to talk to them more about what's coming up for them in social situations.
Obviously, these steps won't work with every individual, and they'll just go on to be annoying. See?
But I find 9 times out of 10 that asserting myself in these situations usually works in my favor by either resolving the situation or boosting my confidence.
Hey, and keep practicing these steps with all the annoying people that you happen to encounter in your life.
Thanks again, everyone, for tuning in to another episode of Diaries of the Drunken Dumbells with Di and my sidekick, Gio.
We don't need to be annoying or anything, but you should follow us on
BestEverywhere.me.
Yeah.
Check out the B spot at BestEverywhere.me.
Yeah. BestEverywhere.me. Check out the B spot. I just said that, right?
Yeah, annoying.